Unveiling true colors, understanding people's real intentions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations: to show true colors. This expression is packed with meaning and can reveal a lot about human behavior and relationships. So, if you've ever wondered what it really means when someone shows their true colors, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To show true colors refers to revealing one's genuine character, especially after having hidden it. The phrase originates from naval history, where ships would disguise their identity by flying false flags. In the heat of battle, they would show their true colors, their real flag, to signify their allegiance. In modern times, we use this expression metaphorically to describe situations where a person's authentic intentions, feelings, or personality are revealed, often after a period of deception or ambiguity. Understanding to show true colors is easier with examples. Imagine a friend who's always nice to you but suddenly behaves differently under stress, revealing a more self-centered side. Or a coworker who seems supportive but later undermines you to gain an advantage. These scenarios illustrate people showing their true colors, offering a glimpse into their real character beyond the facade they usually present. Incorporating to show true colors into your vocabulary can help you articulate observations about people's behavior. You might say, after the project failed, he showed his true colors by blaming everyone else. Or, she really showed her true colors when she stayed to help even though it wasn't her responsibility. It's a powerful way to comment on the authenticity and integrity of those around us. Understanding and using the phrase, to show true colors, can add depth to your conversations and help you express nuanced observations about human behavior. Remember, it's all about revealing the true essence behind someone's initial impression. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this compelling expression. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the English language.